Here is how simply an AI can build a website based on the prompt. Let's see. Enter your credentials to sign into the system. Write a prompt describing your needs for the website you want AI to build. Click on the Generate project. The AI will start building the website based on the given prompt. Just wait for a while. And wow, the website was built successfully. The AI developed a home page with the header menus. Here is the stunning hero section, an elegant booking form, and customer reviews. You can feel the modern footer design. Look at the well-aligned testimonials web page. Let's maximize the preview. Now you can see the beauty of the hero image section, the booking form with the calendar controls, and of course, the social media icons in the footer. See how brilliantly AI designed and developed the testimonials page. Sign up today and enjoy the no-code world with us.